morning students. Dear student, today I am going to discuss with you chapter number 1 of civics. The title of the lesson is Understanding Diversity. Beta, you will find this lesson in your monthly test of August. So during your monthly test of August, when you find this lesson, I am going to revise the chapter number 1. The question may be asked in between from this lesson because there are very less questions in the exercise of this topic. So please understand this topic clearly, understand this topic, and in case you have any kind of confusion, you can clarify with me. As I have discussed with you chapter number 1, 2 of history, chapter number 1, 2 of geography, and only lesson 1 from civics. So today I am going to discuss with you only lesson number 1 of civics. I'm going to revise this lesson. You have earlier read by the ma'am this lesson, but today I am revising this lesson. You will find this chapter number 1 in your monthly test syllabus. Only there is one lesson from civics. The title of the lesson is Understanding Diversity. Understanding diversity, what does this mean? Understanding diversity by we mean, basically, first of all, you should know the meaning of diversity. Diversity means different. In India, you find different kinds of, in India, you find unity in diversity. The term you have heard, what is the meaning of unity in diversity? Diversity means in India, you find different caste, different languages, different religion, but all lives unitedly, but all lives together. So diversity by mean when people are of the different kinds, different nature, different religion, different languages, but they remain together. So how you understand diversity means basically this lesson is an explanation, try to tell you how you understand, how you find the diversity in India, how the diversity. Suppose I ask you how there is diversity in your class, how the diversity in your locality, how you express this term. Basically diversity is a situation when different kinds of the people or children speaking different languages, wearing different kinds of the clothes, having different religions, but lives together. Now starting this lesson, look around you in your classroom. Do you see anyone who looks exactly like you do? In this chapter you will learn that people are different from each other in many ways. Not only do they look different, but they might also belong to different region, culture or religious backgrounds. These differences enrich our lives in many ways and also makes them more fun. All these different people who come from all kinds of background and belong to all kinds of religion and culture help to make India so interesting and so diverse. What does diversity adds to our life? How did India become like this? Are all kind of difference a part of diversity? Can diversity also a part of unity? Read this chapter to find out. Basically, you move in your class, move in your locality, take a round of your school, talk to different classmates, talk to other students. You will find all students are different. Some are from color wise different, some are religion wise different, some speaks different languages, but basically all are one. Now how they are all one? All are one because they wear same uniform, they study same syllabus, they are in the same class if we talk about the students of one classroom. So basically it is an interesting fact that all are becoming different either through color or religion or height, but they are same. Now here you find three pictures in this page. These three pictures are drawn by three different students and one space is also left. This space is left to draw the picture by yourself. And when you draw this picture, all students of my class will draw the picture on this page. This picture drawing will be different of all the students, but they are all in the same class. So diversity here means all are different, The picture drawn by all the three, here on this page you find the three pictures. These three pictures are drawn by all the students of class 6. Suppose I take three students of class 6 and ask them to draw the three pictures. These three pictures are different in all the ways, but students are same level, same class. This is example diversity. Suppose I ask you to draw the picture in this box, you find that picture drawn by all the students will be different. Now three children around your age have drawn the figure, so use empty box to draw your human figure. Is your drawing similar to any other? No. Chances are that drawing is quite different from all other three, which you can see are quite different from each other. This is because each one of has a unique drawing style. We can't only don't exactly like other, but also differ in terms of language we speak, our culture, background, religious rituals observe, and of course the way we draw. Basically, picture drawn by all the students may be different. It is different because the drawing of every student may be different. The culture background may be different. So, but the students are of same standard. Now, fill out the following information about yourself. When I go out, I like wearing. Means when you go to the outside for walk purpose or in the evening, what you prefer to wear? Here, all the students of same class may provide different answer. At home, I speak in different answer. My favorite sport, different answer. I like reading books about different answers. Means students are in the class 6, approximately same age group, approximately same age group, but the information provided them will be totally different. Now ask your teacher to help you to check out, means you can talk with your teacher regarding this purpose. Here is a story of two friends, Smear 1, Smear 2. I had meant it as a joke made by a small red boy who sold newspaper at Janpat crossing at a busy intersection. Every time I cycled past, he would run after me, holding out English paper and streaming out everything headlines, mixture of Hindi and English words. This time I stopped by the pavement and asked for a Hindi paper. His mouth fell open. You know Hindi? He asked. Of course, I said, as I paid for the paper. Why? What did you think? He paused. But you look so Angrez, he said. You mean you can even read Hindi? Of course I can, I said this time little impatiently. I can speak, read and write Hindi. Hindi is also one of the subject. Here is a story of two friends, Smear 1, Smear 2. The one Smear 1 story starts from here. He daily gets newspaper from the Smear 2. Smear 2 is a hawker, newspaper supplier, whereas Smear 1 is paper purchase person. Smear 1 purchases paper from the Smear 2. Smear 2 is a hawker who supplies newspaper. Smear 1 purchases newspaper from Smear 2. He daily takes newspaper of English from Smear 2. Means Smear 1 gets English newspaper from Smear 2. One day Smear 1 asked him, please wait and give me Hindi newspaper. At that time Smear 2 asked Smear 1 that why are you asking for me for Hindi newspaper? Then Smear 1 replied, I can also study Hindi. Then Smear 2 surprised and asked him, from your face it does not look like that it looks that you are a Angrez. But at that time Smear 1 replied, no, I study Hindi as a subject in my school. Now subject, what is the meaning of subject? This question was arised by Smear 2. Means here is a conversation of two friends, Smear 1, Smear 2. Smear 1 is that boy who purchases daily newspaper from Smear 2. Smear 2 gives him English newspaper, but one day Smear 1 asks him, give me Hindi newspaper. At the question arises, then at that time Smear 2 asks, why are you asking me for Hindi newspaper? Then Smear 1 asks him, I can study Hindi newspaper because this language is also taught in my school as a subject. Then at that time Smear 2 surprised and asked him, what is the meaning of subject? When he began to tell the meaning of subject, at that time the light becomes green and he crosses away. Next day he was again there and again he gives him Hindi newspaper and ask him, आपका अखबार आज का अखबार means you are getting today's newspaper in Hindi. Again he asked him what is the meaning of subject. Then he asked, subject means something that you study daily, that is the thing which we study in our school. Means Smear 1, Smear 2 are talking about the some topic on the subject, Hindi and English. Now the problem arises, both are same, both are approximately same group. So one day Smear 1 asked him, tell me your name. Then hawker, news seller, news supplier asked him, my name is Smear. Then he surprised and asked him, my name is also Smear. So both are of the same name, student, friends. And then he asked, what is the meaning of Smear? At that time Smear 1 replied, it is the name of Hanuman's father. Now both are approximately similar, but basically Smear 2 tells him, I belongs to Mohammedan community and I lives in the Meerut, and my mother is not in position to look after the whole family expenses, so I am selling the newspaper. Smear 1 and Smear 2 also come from different religious and cultural background. While Smear 1 is a Hindu, Smear 2, Smear 2, Smear 2 is a Muslim. Different religious and cultural background, such as there are aspect of diversity, means here situation is created to explain the concept of diversity. Here situation is created to tell you that the name of the even two friends, two boys is same, but basically both two boys are different on the basis of religion. So this is the example of diversity, but both are same. Now the question arises, what are the causes of diversity? Not only the religion is one cause of diversity. In addition to diverse religious and cultural background, there are other ways in which Smear 1, Smear 2 are different from each other. For example, while Smear 1 goes to school, Smear 2 sells newspaper. In the same way, Smear 2 did not have the opportunity to attend school. Perhaps you have noticed that there are several people in the area where you live are poor and do not have enough to eat, to wear, sometimes not even place to live. Their difference is not the same as one we have seen earlier. Here we are talking not of difference but of equality. Inequality comes about when a person does not have a resource and opportunity that are available to other persons. My means to say that diversity is in the many form. Suppose two persons are different. One is a Hindu, another is a Muslim. Means they are different, they are diverse. But only religious background is not the cause of diversity. Only religion is not one thing that makes two people, two communities different. There are several other reasons, and one most important reason which makes diverse, which make different two people are the inequality. Now what is this inequality? This inequality may be in terms of resources and opportunity. In simple word, if I want to tell you that some people are rich, some people are poor. When some people are rich, they try to become different from other people who are poor. Another diversity, another different arises due to caste system. Some people are high caste, some people are low caste, so they also create diversity in the nation. What does diversity add to our life? Now what is the relevance, what is the importance, what is the meaning of this diversity add to our life? Basically diversity makes our life more interesting. Diversity basically unites us. Just like Smear 1 and Smear 2 become friends, you might have friends who are very different from you. You have probably eaten different kinds of food in their home, celebrate different festival with them, tried out the clothes they wear, and learn some of their language. It means when two are different, but we enjoy in this diversity, because when we celebrate each other's religion, when we use other languages, when we eat the other religions product, so it will increase our interest in the life. You probably like reading and hearing stories or adventures about the different animals. people and even ghosts. People, you have enjoyed the making up story yourself. Many young people feel happy when they read a good story because it gives them lots of ideas to make up more story. People who write stories get their ideas from all sorts of different places, from books and real life and from their imaginations. Some may have lived in forest close to animals, means all peoples are different, but basically when we enjoy their diversity, when you find their diversity through stories or from any other things, we enjoy it. In India, we also find diversity. India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, have various types of foods, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. But actually, if you think about it, we do many things that are similar, except that we are different with. Explain how do we explain diversity? A little more than 200 years ago, or long before the train, aeroplanes, bus, or cars became part, people traveled from one place to another in ships, horses, or camels, or on foot. Now, on this basis, we can say that India may be different, but there is unity among the Indian people. Now, the on the basis of inequality, there also arises discrimination among the society. So, dear student, remaining part I will discuss with you in my next video. Thank you so much.